Thanks for logging on to neoweather.com on this Sunday, February 24th, 2013. I'm Jim Sullivan with your video forecast. We're going to see some peaks of sun this afternoon across northern Ohio. However, Tuesday is going to be very rainy, and then the rest of the week is going to be unsettled and cold with some snow. I'll look at all that and more coming right up. Starting off with a look at the 3D Max Doppler network this morning. A weak disturbance is pushing through. It sparked off a few snow showers that were enhanced by Lake Erie. However, those are already on a diminishing trend now at noon. We're just left with a few flurries. There are some big breaks in the clouds moving through, so a lot of us will see peaks of sun this afternoon with temperatures rising into the lower 30s. Taking the 3D Max full now, you can see there's that low pressure system that I talked about yesterday sitting off New England. It's dropping some moderate amounts of snow across eastern New England right now. That's going to get out of the way. However, if you are traveling to Boston today, keep it in mind. Elsewhere, it's pretty quiet. A lot of sun across the south, and you can see snow covering the plains, all that white. That's good. They're dealing with a drought there. Any precipitation, rain or snow helps. And they're going to get more over the next couple days as these snow showers over the west, they look pretty harmless now, but as soon as they hit the plains, get some Gulf moisture involved, tomorrow they're going to blossom into a big storm system. It's going to drop a big swath of snow from northern Oklahoma towards Chicago into Michigan. Here we're going to deal with mixed precipitation, but that is going to be a big weather maker just to our north and just to our west over the next few days, so keep that in mind if you are traveling out there. Looking at the numbers for Cleveland, yesterday we did 35 and 29. That was right around normal when you average it all together. Averages of 40 and 25. Record high of 69. Record low of -7. No precipitation yesterday at Hopkins. We're at 1.43 inches on the month, which is a little bit below normal. 3.6 on the year, which is also a little bit below normal. And for your Sunday, we're going to be a little bit cooler than yesterday. Temperatures stuck in the lower 30s. That light lake effect that we're seeing now is going to come to an end during the afternoon with increasing sunshine. Tonight should be a dry night. Any flurries should be confined to northwestern Pennsylvania by that point. We're going to see temperatures fall into the lower and middle 20s tonight. It'll be a chilly night. Looking beyond tonight and into the work week tomorrow, it's going to be a nice day, maybe a little bit cooler than we were initially thinking. However, there will still be a good amount of sun. It'll still warm to near 40. Tomorrow night we're keeping dry now. That storm system has trended a little bit slower. However, by Tuesday, it'll still rain and it may mix. And let's take a look at that real quick. Taking a look at the depiction on this thing off of one of our forecast models, the GFS, ran by the National Weather Service. It's the American Global Model. Here we are. This is 7 a.m. Monday morning. Low pressure gathering and strengthening across the deep south. And you can see there's a lot of moisture being pulled in from the Gulf and a lot of snow here on the cold side, a big swath of snow across the plains that's going to move our direction. The low is going to begin weakening before it gets here. However, there's still a huge swath of moisture, a large swath of snow, and you can see on the front edge of this precipitation Tuesday morning, a little bit of mixing possible over northern Ohio. Here's another perspective on this. Starting Tuesday morning, this is 7 a.m. This is the NAM model. It's a little higher resolution. It's more of a regional model for North America. This blue line represents the freezing line at about 4,000 feet above our heads here in northern Ohio. North of the line, snow is possible. South of the line, you're either getting rain or freezing rain. And here we are, 10 a.m. Tuesday, precipitation moving in, and there's that rain-snow line going way to the north. And it might not start precipitating until late Tuesday morning, and by that point, the surface temperatures may be above freezing except for maybe far northeastern Ohio. So that's why we're going with brief ice to rain. If you're in northwestern Ohio, there may be more snow. Wednesday, as we head towards Wednesday evening, again, maybe a little bit of rain-snow mixed, although it will be mainly rain across the area except for far northwestern Ohio. And then as we head towards Thursday morning, that rain-snow line goes clear to the east, and we will all slowly mix with and change to snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. And now, picking up the big picture again off the GFS, starting Wednesday morning, that storm is going to just sit and spin over the area. Here we are into Thursday. Here we are into Friday. Slowly cooler air gradually filters in as this storm just sits and spins, and it's going to allow light snow and flurries to continue. And if it gets cold enough this weekend, this is still more questionable, or pardon me, that'll be next weekend, the first weekend of March. If it gets cold enough like this particular model is suggesting, there may be accumulating lake effect snow through the weekend. Either way, it's going to be a damp and dreary and cold end to the work week. So now in the rest of your 7-day, Tuesday, that brief ice to pretty much all rain across northeastern and north central Ohio. Tuesday night into Wednesday, it slowly gets cool enough for snow to gradually mix in and change over. Wednesday probably won't be much accumulating snow. It'll still be well above freezing. Wednesday night into Thursday, and maybe even Thursday night, it will be cold enough and there will be enough moisture around that some areas may see a few inches of snow by Friday morning. And then Friday into Saturday, potential lake effect sets up, but again, that's a little more uncertain. It'll probably still be snowing in some areas, but we're not sure if it'll be enough to really accumulate much by next weekend. Best chance of accumulating snow for everyone will be Wednesday night into Thursday, and then maybe again in the snow belt this weekend as some cooler air filters over the lake. Again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.